Alright, today I've got a 2000 Grand Caravan. We're going to remove the upper dash to get at the front speakers. We're going to start off by removing the A-column plastic panel here. It just pops off. All you need to do is get under the rubber there. It's kind of hard with one hand. As you can see, it just pops right off really easy all the way. So I've got both sides of the plastic covering on the A-pillar removed, and next we're just going to pop off the entire top assembly there, and let's just clip. So I've got the upper dash pulled up. It's best to pry with your screwdriver right where the clips are. They're located on that spot. 2, 3, 4, and then a fifth one down in the corner there. And finally, I've unscrewed and unhooked the plastic clip for the speaker. Incredibly easy. Repeat for both sides. Alright, so the next step, I've got my deck out. I'm getting my wire setups for my speakers. I crimped on some new ends for the speaker end and some butt splices there to go right to the deck. I've got my new speaker in place. I've got the wiring going through that spot in the dash and then coming down. Super easy. I'm going to do the same on that spot. 2 screws for the speaker. I'm going to stuff a wire down to the deck. Speakers in there. Tested the sound. Everything works. Now all we have to do is put back the press back in the clips, and then also put back in the A-pillar. Make sure the rubber seal's on the outside. And just give it a slap.